The big difference is obviously the mechanics of it, right? So air ride suspension, you're literally riding on air. There's an airbag that connects, between the axle and the suspension on the trailer. It's filled with compressed air, and depending on how much weight is on the trailer, it's dynamic. So if there's a lot of weight on the trailer, there'll be more air in the bag, which will keep that trailer at the same level at all times and ride the same at all times. So that's what separates it from spring ride, where a spring ride, it rides on springs similar to a car does. It's preloaded, so it doesn't have the same dynamics as an air ride, whereas it's gonna ride differently if it's empty versus if it's fully loaded. There's situations where a spring ride might be better. A lot of our closed tandem flatbeds are spring ride, and the reason we do that is because they're constantly being connected and disconnected from trucks. They're riding on a lot of times in job sites where there's big potholes and there's lots of things that might be damage related, where an air ride suspension would probably manage it okay, but you're adding a risk of a popped airbag. We want to have air ride because, again, it's going to be reliable, and it's going to give the best ride characteristics for the driver and the load itself.